everybody, it's Miss Obetz. Welcome to your virtual STEM lesson for this week. This week's is actually going to be a little bit different, so you can kind of use some of your own materials if you don't have the materials that I am going to use. So what you are going to need is something that you can stack things on top of. So I'm using this empty yogurt container. If you have like an maybe the top to like a laundry detergent or a smaller plastic cup or a Dixie cup or something, because we're going to build on top of this, which is going to make this challenge a lot harder. So you need something to build on top of. So I have this. And then you are going to need something to build with. I have these foam blocks that I'm going to be using. You can use some wood blocks. Maybe if you only have some plastic cups, you could use those. If you have marshmallows, you could try to use those to stack. If you have extra ones of these yogurt dishes, you could always stack something underneath to stack those. Anything that you can think of at your house that you can stack is what you are going to be using. This is, like I said, this is a little bit different. It's kind of one of those things where you're going to use what you have, and we're going to go from there. So I want you to pause this video, take some time to find some things that you can use, and then come back when you're ready to get started. All right, so right now you should have some things that you are going to be able to use to stack and something that you're going to be stacking on top of, okay? So our goal for today is to build the tallest tower that can stand on top of a cup. So it's not just building it on the table, it's building it on top of something. So let's get started. Like I said before, I have a bunch of these foam things, so I'm just going to kind of pull out a bunch. They're not all the same shape, so I'm going to pull out a couple different shapes, trying to stay somewhat with the same shapes. All right. I have a whole box here at school with me. That's pretty fun that I get to use them. All right. If I need more, like I said, I have a whole box. I'll show you it. I have a whole box of them. So if I need more, I will just be grabbing them as we go. My goal for you is to try to get 20 things stacked on top of your cup. Now that is a hard goal. Who knows if I can even do it, but we're going to try. So remember, you're not stacking on a table. You're trying to stack on top of something. We're trying to balance something and figure out how we can make things balance. So I'm going to start pretty simple. I'm going to get a little bit more challenging as I go. Trying to stack them. I don't want you to just stack them all the same way. I want you to try to stack things a little bit of a different way. Notice I've kind of got a pattern going on here. It doesn't have to be a pattern. Remember, we want to try to get 20 things if we can. Only at 4 right now. If my tower falls, then I will start over. It is no big deal if your tower falls. Also, if you want to do it maybe 2 wide, put 2 of them on one spot, you can. You just can't count that. It has to be, you're trying to use 20 tall. Okay, let's see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is already going to be harder than I thought. Getting shaky. Some of you might build this tower and it might even be taller than you. And that is okay. Okay, let's check now and see how many tall we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Woo! We're over the halfway point. We have 9 more to go. Can we do it without making it crash? We will see. This thing is getting shakier by the minute. It's making me nervous. I'm trying to find more of these pieces that I feel like are sturdy. Okay. How are we doing here? Oh, goodness. This thing is getting shakier and shakier. Okay. Oh no! As I got to my 15th one, my tower fell down. So, now we get to try again. Remember, I told you, it's okay. It's okay if your tower falls. No problem, we start again. We try to see if we can build it a little bit stronger. How can we make it stronger this next time? All right, trying again. I'm gonna try to keep, you know what? I'm gonna try to keep the bigger ones on the bottom first. Sometimes a bigger foundation helps to make it stronger. Man, I should be listening to some music during this, getting me pumped up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, we're doing better this time, you guys. This thing is starting to lean. All right, now I gotta figure out how I can make this thing sturdier. Uh-oh, starting to teeter. So how can I make it sturdier? I gotta figure that out. Remember, this is not supposed to be an easy challenge. And even I'm not getting it in the first try, so it's okay. Might take you 10 tries to figure it out. And that is okay. That's the best part about STEM. Is that it's okay if you fail, because we try again. Okay, let's do a check-in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 6 more. I'm digging through my box here. I'm making sure I have some 6 sturdy ones because I do not want this to fall. Okay, I'm finding a couple. Got 3. We can add these on first. Oh, one of them's got a little piggy on him. I'm gonna stand up. Ooh! I bumped my table. That wasn't good. There's 15. 16. 17. I'm backing my chair up. I don't want my chair to hit it. It's starting to lean a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 20 minus 17 is 3. I need 3 more. I'm gonna look through here. I can find like 3 of the tiniest pieces, which is what I'm gonna try to do. I'm getting really nervous. I don't want this to fall. Okay, here's one. Uh-oh. That one was a little heavy. I don't know if I want to use that one. I just need one more good piece because I think I can stack these 2 pretty good on top of each other. So we need one more piece that we think we can use here. One more. Oh, perfect. 18. Oh no. Okay, let's see if we can fix this a little bit. Okay. Oh no! At 18, it fell over! Oh no, this is not an easy challenge. All right, we're gonna try it once more together and see what we can do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, we can do 10. We've learned that. It's harder after 10. 11, 12, 13. Whoa! Darn. But we left 5 of them. So let's build from there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, it's getting unsturdy. 16. We're at 16. 17. We're gonna do it this time, you guys. Can we do it? 18. You know what? I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna switch it because I see the one that's not sturdy. Look at that. $18. Can it stand? My 19th and 20th piece. Can we make this thing stand? We did it! Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! And the crowd goes wild. We did it. Great job, everybody. Now, if you notice, we finally figured out how to do it when we laid the pieces flat and tried to stack them as closely together as we can. Now, this isn't the only way to build a tower, so make sure you try a bunch of different ways. But if you're getting frustrated, try to get the bigger ones on the bottom and build it to the smaller ones on the top. Remember, you're not building on the table, you're building on top of something. Amazing job today, everybody. Post pictures on the CP STEM page so I can see what your towers look like. See you soon.